Hello everyone, this is Vandita. Welcome to my channel. Today's video I will tell you about this pattern. This is baby blanket pattern. You can see the beauty of this blanket. I love it. We can use this pattern in sweaters and pullovers also. This looks very nice. So let's begin our video. I'm using in this blanket 4 colors 1, 2, 3 and 4. You can add colors according to your choice and according to your project. You can add many colors like rainbow, or you can make one single color or 2 colors also. I'm showing you in 2 colors this pattern. I'm using these 2 colors, which is 4 ply wool, and with this I'm using 5 number crochet 3.0 mm. We will start to make a slip knot, or you can start like this also. I'm making 30 chains for this pattern. After 30 chains, make one extra chain for starting. Now after one chain from the second chain, start to make double crochet. Second double crochet in second chain, third double crochet in third chain. Make 9 double crochet as well. After 9 double crochet, in 10th chain, make half double crochet. Again in the same chain, make second half double crochet. In same chain, make third double half double crochet. 4, and last in the same chain 5. Now make the 1 double crochet in the next chain. Next again make 9 double crochet, 2, 3, 4, 9 double crochet, again we will make this puff. 1, 2, 3, 4, in same chain make 5 half double crochet in last. 1 double crochet in next chain, 1 double crochet in next chain. Make double crochet in every chain till the end of this round. Here our first round is completed now. For second round, chain 1 and make double crochet basic line. Or double crochet in every chain. Here my second round is also completed now. For third round I have to join my second color. See carefully. Chain 1, turn over, 1 double crochet in first chain, second double crochet. In this round we will make 5 double crochet. Continue 3, 4 and 5, and in sixth chain we will make this stitch 1, in same chain second half double crochet, in same chain third half double crochet, in same chain fourth half double crochet, and in same chain fifth double half crochet. And 1 double crochet in next chain. Now we will make 9 double crochet. 2, 3, 8 and 9. After 9 double crochet, in 10th double crochet we will make again 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and again make 9 double crochet. 1, 2, 8 and 9. And now in 10th, after these 9 double crochet, in 10th chain we'll make this puff stitch, this half double crochet puff stitch, 3, 4, 5. Now make double crochet in every chain till the end of this round. Chain 1, and here our third round is also completed. In 4 round we will make basic line of double crochet or plain line double crochet. In last double crochet we will change the color here. Chain 1 and turn over. In this round, in 1 chain 1 double crochet. In this round we will repeat the very first round. We will make 9 double crochet. In 10th double crochet we will repeat this pattern, and after that 9 double crochet, and we will repeat the same puff here and 10 double crochet in last. 9 double crochet, 2 and 9. After 9, in 10, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Nine double crochet again. After 9 double crochet, in 10th double crochet, we will repeat the same puff stitch. 2, 3, 4, 5, and again double crochet in every chain. And now next we will make double crochet basic line, and after that we will repeat the same pattern, and it will look like this. I hope you like this video, so please don't forget to give a like my video and share with your friends and family, and subscribe my channel for new videos. Thank you. Keep watching.